Hello again. Today I will review the current version of the OpenSUSE distribution. It highlights key aspects, such as the continuous release model, which ensures that users have continuous access to the latest Linux updates. And is this distribution suitable for new Linux users? I hope we find out. Enjoy watching. The OpenSUSE Tumbleweed installation process involves several steps to ensure a smooth setup of the operating system. During installation, you will be guided through various configuration steps. These steps typically include language selection, keyboard layout, time zone, and license agreements. Options are provided for the split settings based on their preferences. The installer provides flexibility in partitioning schemes, allowing users to create or modify partitions according to their needs. After the initial configuration is complete, the installer proceeds to copy the necessary files and install the operating system on the specified disk partitions. This process can take some time depending on the hardware specifications of the system and the speed of the installation media. It took about 9 minutes for me. Once the installation is complete, users are prompted to reboot their system, and upon reboot, they can start using OpenSUSE Tumbleweed. The OpenSUSE Tumbleweed Welcome app is a utility designed to greet new users to the OpenSUSE Tumbleweed operating system. It serves as an introductory tool, providing essential information and resources to help users familiarize themselves with the system. The Welcome app typically includes guides on getting started with the operating system, accessing support channels, configuring system settings, and exploring available software packages. Its purpose is to ease the onboarding process for new users and provide them with a smooth introduction to OpenSUSE Tumbleweed. The Welcome app in OpenSUSE Tumbleweed aims to enhance the user experience by offering a centralized hub for important information and resources. It may feature tutorials, documentation, community forums, and other helpful resources to assist users in navigating the operating system effectively. Additionally, the app may provide tips and recommendations tailored to the user's needs and preferences, helping them customize their experience and optimize their usage of OpenSUSE Tumbleweed. As with all other operating systems, it is important to keep your OpenSUSE Tumbleweed up to date. With OpenSUSE Tumbleweed, there are 3 ways to do this, but the easiest for new Linux users, in my opinion, is through the Software Center. OpenSUSE Tumbleweed, a current release distribution, offers a refreshing approach to updates. Unlike traditional release cycles, Tumbleweed receives continuous updates, ensuring that you always have access to the latest versions of the software. This eliminates the need to wait for major releases and associated update processes. By keeping your system up to date, you benefit from the latest features, improved performance, and improved security. It is recommended that you update your Tumbleweed system regularly. For example, weekly or every 2 weeks, to ensure you have the latest security patches and bug fixes. Due to the constant stream of updates, there is little chance of encountering random bugs or compatibility issues. However, the rolling release nature also allows for faster corrections to be incorporated compared to traditional release cycles. The second way to update is through the terminal. The special thing about OpenSUSE is that to do an update instead of the sudo zipper update command, for convenience, you can use sudo zipper up, or to do an upgrade, you can use sudo zipper dup instead of sudo zipper dist upgrade. The third way to update is through the YaST control center. Now we won't have updates there because we did them, but I will show you. The YaST Control Center facilitates system administration tasks in SUSE Linux distributions. Within this control center, the YaST Online Update feature allows users to manage software updates conveniently. It enables fetching patches to correct and enhance the existing system installation. To access the YaST Online Update dialog, users can start YaST and navigate to Software then Online Update. The Online Update tool provides a streamlined interface for selecting and applying available patches to the system. OpenSUSE Tumbleweed can run on a variety of systems. Even older machines can potentially meet the minimum requirements. However, for a smoother and more enjoyable experience, it is recommended to have a system that meets or exceeds the recommended requirements. Remember, these are just guidelines, and actual performance will depend on your specific hardware configuration and the tasks you intend to run on your system. The recommended requirements are Pentium for 2.4 GHz or higher, for better performance, especially for multimedia tasks and multitasking. AMD 64 or Intel 64 processors are recommended. For a smoother experience, especially when running multiple apps at the same time, a RAM of 4 GB or more is recommended. 40 GB or more is the minimum recommended space to accommodate future software installations and user files, with the main installation taking up between 12 and 15 GB, depending on the desktop environment chosen. And a modern graphics card for enhanced performance for demanding applications like video editing or gaming. Resource requirements may vary slightly depending on your chosen desktop environment. For example, the Gnome desktop environment is assumed to use fewer resources than the KDE Plasma environment. In general, the requirements are not very demanding, but it is good to have at least 5 or 6 years old or newer hardware. OpenSUSE Tumbleweed allows users control over their system settings, empowering them to define preferences according to their needs. These settings cover a range of aspects, including desktop background, lock screen configuration, and language settings. To access these settings, users can navigate through the Gnome Settings dialog, found under Application Settings. Within this dialog, settings are organized into categories such as Personal, where users can customize various aspects of their desktop environment. One of the aspects that sets OpenSUSE Tumbleweed apart from many other distributions is the YaST Control Center. The YaST Control Center is a central hub for system administration. This powerful tool allows you to manage various aspects of your system, making Tumbleweed easy to use even for those new to Linux. YaST provides a user-friendly interface, eliminating the need to rely solely on the command line for configuration tasks. This makes it accessible to users of all experience levels. Most system administration tasks in Tumbleweed can be performed through YaST. This simplifies configuration and reduces the need to juggle multiple tools. With YaST, you can install, update, and remove software packages. Search for specific apps, browse categories, and manage dependencies. Configure network connections and security options. Create, manage, and modify user accounts and groups, setting permissions and access controls for enhanced system security. Configure hardware components such as printers, scanners, network adapters, and storage devices. YaST simplifies driver management and ensures that your hardware interacts seamlessly with the system. YaST offers tools to configure firewalls, manage user passwords, and adjust other security settings to protect your system from potential threats. Enable, disable, and configure various system services, such as print services, web servers, and file sharing. YaST streamlines system configuration tasks, making it easier to manage your Tumbleweed system. YaST Control Center is a powerful and feature-rich tool that makes OpenSUSE Tumbleweed a user-friendly and customizable Linux experience. It enables users to efficiently manage their systems, install software, and configure various settings without needing to be a command line expert. If you're looking for a user-friendly running distribution with a powerful graphical configuration tool, OpenSUSE Tumbleweed with YaST Control Center is a compelling combination. To access more options for customizing the OpenSUSE Gnome desktop, you need to install the Extensions Manager application. This is easily done with the help of the Software Center. The Gnome Shell extension offers a wide range of customization options, allowing users to tailor their desktop experience to suit their preferences. Some of the most useful and easy-to-use extensions for users are Arc Menu, Dash to Dock, and Dash to Panel. So I will install them for you to see. Installing extensions is quick and easy with just one click of the mouse. From simple tweaks like adding a clipboard manager or customizing the clock display to more complex modifications like altering window management behavior, there are extensions available to fulfill various needs and preferences. Dash to Dock is a popular Gnome Shell extension that is commonly used by users coming from Mac operating systems who want to improve their desktop experience. This extension transforms the dashboard into a docking station, offering users a convenient way to launch applications and quickly switch between Windows and desktops. Users can access the extension settings to further customize their dock experience by adjusting settings such as icon size, position, and behavior. This level of customization can help users coming from Mac operating systems tailor their desktop environment to suit their workflow and preferences. Now let's see Arc Menu and Dash to Panel. As I said, they might be useful for users coming from Windows and are probably one of the best tools to make Gnome look like the Windows you're used to. Arc Menu is a custom application launcher for Gnome. Arc Menu goes beyond the traditional list-based application menu. It offers different layouts. Applications can be displayed in a format like the Linux Mint menu, similar to the Windows 10 or Windows 11 Start menu layout, and many others. You can easily switch between these layouts to find the one that best suits your workflow and preferences. Arc Menu integrates a search bar, allowing you to quickly find applications by name or keyword. This is especially useful for users with a large number of installed applications. Arc Menu provides easy access to system functions such as shortcuts to frequently used system settings and actions such as power options, network settings, system preferences, and user management. Arc Menu is an extension specifically designed for the Gnome Shell desktop. It will not work on other desktops like KDE Plasma or XFCE. Overall, Arc Menu is a valuable extension for Gnome users looking to improve their application menu experience. Dash to Panel is a Gnome Shell extension designed to provide a more streamlined desktop experience, reminiscent of the taskbars found in KDE Plasma and Windows 7 and later versions. Dash to Panel provides users with options for customization, allowing them to adjust the position of the panel, choose between side and bottom placements, and personalize the appearance to suit their preferences. Users can also configure settings such as icon sizes, panel transparency, and behavior, enhancing the flexibility and usability of their desktop environment. Dash to Panel can provide a familiar and intuitive way to interact with the Gnome desktop. Combining the dashboard and panel can streamline your workflow by making it easy to switch between applications, access the system, and monitor the results of system functions from one place. Through Arc Menu and Dash Panel, you can reach your familiar Windows view or make your own according to your views and needs. When installing OpenSUSE Tumbleweed with the Gnome desktop environment, users can expect to find a selection of core Gnome applications pre-installed to provide a comprehensive computing experience. These applications typically cover a range of tasks, including web browsing, email, office productivity, multimedia playback, system utilities, and more. Some of the commonly included Gnome applications are Firefox for web browsing, Evolution for email and calendar management, LibreOffice for document creation and organization, Gnome Maps, Gnome Photos, and Gnome Software for managing applications and updates. The Gnome Software Center in OpenSUSE Tumbleweed provides users with a graphical interface to manage software installation, updates, and removal. As part of the Gnome desktop environment, it offers a user-friendly way to discover, install, and manage applications without relying solely on command-line tools. The Software Center organizes available software into categories, making it easy for users to find applications that suit their needs. In OpenSUSE Tumbleweed, the Gnome Software Center integrates seamlessly with the system's package management tools, allowing users to install applications from both official repositories and third-party sources. It provides a centralized hub for accessing a wide range of software offerings, including productivity tools, multimedia applications, games, utilities, and more. In addition, the Software Center makes it easy to install Flatpak packages, allowing users to access a larger catalog of software while maintaining system stability in sandboxed environments. One of the strengths of the Gnome Software Center is its intuitive interface, which caters to users of all experience levels. Users can browse available software, read descriptions, view screenshots, and read user reviews before installing apps. In addition, the Software Center notifies users of available updates for installed applications, simplifying the process of keeping software up to date. The Gnome Software Center integrates seamlessly with the core OpenSUSE Tumbleweed package management system, providing reliable installation and removal of software packages. Users can also customize their software management experience by configuring preferences, such as enabling automatic updates, adjusting notification settings, and managing third-party repositories. The Gnome Software Center is not the main tool for managing OpenSUSE Tumbleweed software, although it does provide some basic features. YaST Control Center, with its zipper integration, remains the recommended approach for managing software packages in Tumbleweed. YaST Control Center may require some familiarization, but it offers a robust and customizable solution for managing your system. Use the YaST software module to install new software packages, update installed software, remove software you no longer need. And those of you who don't fear the command line can take your first steps toward becoming a power user by experimenting with zipper commands that offer powerful control over software management. For new users considering OpenSUSE Tumbleweed, there are several key points to consider. First and foremost, OpenSUSE Tumbleweed offers a stable rolling release model, providing users with access to the latest software updates and features without sacrificing stability. This makes it an attractive option for users who want to stay on the cutting edge of technology without constantly reinstalling or upgrading their operating system. The inclusion of tools like YaST simplifies system configuration and package management, making it easier for new users to get started with the operating system. Furthermore, OpenSUSE Tumbleweed boasts a vibrant and supportive community where users can find assistance, share knowledge, and participate in the development process. In conclusion, OpenSUSE Tumbleweed is a versatile and user-friendly Linux distribution that offers a balance of cutting-edge technology, stability, and community support. Whether you're a beginner exploring Linux for the first time or an experienced user looking for a reliable platform for development or everyday use, OpenSUSE Tumbleweed has much to offer. I hope you found it interesting today, and if so, don't forget to like, share, and comment on my video. And those of you who have not yet subscribed to my next videos, just do so. Have a nice day, and take care.